Did you know that NASA is only locating about 30% of asteroids that are large enough to wipe out an entire state? Now, I'm no statistician, I'm just a lovely and charming news personality. But 30%? That is not awesome. But things are looking up, pun entirely intended, as the nonprofit B612 Foundation, led by former astronaut Ed Lu, has made it their aim to monitor the not-so-friendly skies. Their Sentinel mission? To create the first dynamic map of our inner solar system, and to protect life by finding asteroids before they find us. With recent encounters like the meteor in eastern Russia and 2012's DA-14, for example, that seems like good thinking. According to the organization, there are more than 1 million near-Earth asteroids that regularly approach us, larger than the asteroid that hit the Tunguska region of Russia in 1908. As this collision only had the power of hundreds of atomic bombs and flattened and scorched just 800 square miles of forest, think what could happen with an exponentially bigger one. Anyway, B16 co-founder Rusty Schweikart says that we need an infrared telescope maintaining a Venus-like orbit to be properly hunting for asteroids. Well, he got it, and the Sentinel mission passed its first major technical review with flying colors, and the plan is to launch the telescope in 2018. During its expected 6.5-year mission, the telescope could hone in on over 500,000 asteroids, but they won't be the only ones looking. Mining companies Deep Space Industries and Planetary Resources each have their own plans for keeping track of things as well. In their own words, Deep Space Industries will, quote, build on the incredible heritage of the first age of space exploration and harness the power of a new age of information to locate, explore, harvest, and utilize the vast number of asteroids in Earth's community. Thanks, man! DSI plans to circle the Earth with 10 of their small Firefly spacecraft, while Planetary Resources wants to use robotic spacecraft to mine and sell asteroids to space-based and terrestrial customers. Early notification of incoming space rocks is very important, but I'll bet you can think of something even more important. Deflection. We've got the gravity tractor, the kinetic impactor approach, blowing the crap out of it with a nuclear weapon. One Aggie scientist from Texas A&M thinks we might be able to deflect a space rock by applying a new color to the surface, and thus changing the amount of sunlight deflected by the asteroid, ultimately altering the velocity and direction. Or how about the Joukowsky effect? The push of an object caused by the emission of thermal photons might, over a long period of time, nudge the rock off its course towards Earth. That's detection, deflection, and then there's infection, when an idea takes direction from the section of your impressions that becomes more than just a connection. Look how much business is in action. Still, if one were to come soon, what would we do?
Soon we'll see if the moon is made out of green cheese, ha 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 ha. Soon we're here at the moon, let's see what the moon is like.